So I'm really excited to give you this news. It's probably one of the biggest updates that Google has announced in the last few years, and it's about performance maps. So if you're not familiar with performance maps, it's pretty much like a one-stop shop to be able to advertise across all the Google channels in a single campaign. So think about if you wanted to advertise on search, on video, through YouTube, or display, or shopping, you name it. So you were able to advertise in a single campaign throughout all these channels. But the problem is that it's a great idea, but since it was launched in November 2021, we marketers have been struggled to take informed decisions. And the reason is because we have never seen how individual channels have impacted the results of our campaigns. And we have very little data since it was launched. And to be honest with you, it's been a great tool to scale businesses. But probably in the last 7 months, we've seen that we start driving away from performance max and going back to traditional channels because we sort of lost trust on Google performance max. Basically because the information was not clear and because we were experimenting with all the channels individually and they were actually giving us better results. So think about this as a step forward for Google to recover back the trust of marketers, and we do appreciate it. So let me show you, I'm going to show you now in screen, like what I mean by that and the announcement that they did on April 30th. So this is the article that I recommend you to go ahead and read. I'm just going to link it in the description of this video so you will be able to see all the details from it. But just a very quick walkthrough. It is what they call a top requested feature. So obviously, as I mentioned, it's something that we marketers have been asking for years for Google to give us more information to take informed decisions. So they release it as a channel level reporting in Performance Max. What it basically does is it tells you individually how much each channel have been contributing to every single result you're getting or towards your end goal. And also you can break it down or filter it by product like ads or how much things that are using product data are contributing towards your end goal. So let's say shopping campaign, product feeds, how are they contributing towards your end goal? If you scroll down all the way to the end, they also show you here that they are giving you attribution to individual assets. What I mean is that they're telling you how well is performing an image, a headline. They give you clicks, cost, average cost per click. So you can actually use this information to take informed decisions about like, okay, these assets are working better, so I need to work around those ones. So create more content similar to that because my market, my target audience is reacting well to that one or is not reacting well to that one. So I just need to change my strategy. These are a couple of the changes that they're releasing right now. So I really do recommend you to go ahead and read this document because it's not long, it's a 4-minute read and it gives you actually a lot of insight about the changes that are happening right now with Performance Max. So as you can see, it's probably not a perfect solution, but it's a step forward towards being able to finally optimize campaigns the way that we should be doing. And honestly, like if we use this information correctly, we'll be able to scale our businesses or produce more pieces of content that are gonna perform even better because we have the information right. So if you want to have a one-to-one consultation with one of our ads experts and talk a little bit more about performance maps or the structure of your campaigns, we offer a free 30-minute consultation with one of our ads experts. Just simply click the link in the description and make sure to book a call with one of us. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. That helps us a lot to reach out to more people like you seeking for advice to scale their business online. Thanks for watching.